between number 10 and number 8. Hold back by Jedawal. Hold tayo. The first basket for Jedawal.
Sino yung ito?
18.
18.
Score tayo na 2.
Oliver!
Zion S.
Pinheiro to number 18. Back to Pinheiro. Pinheiro drive to the basket. Basket.
15. Ha? 15 yung shoot.
Spear.
Second team foul, ha? Sabi mo, second team foul. Ano yan? Hingiin niya yung mga picture.
Okay. Tama yun.
Tasa.
Bro, tabi tayo. Second champion shot, number 18, basket.
Mamaya daw sabi niya kasi hilintayin dumating mga kasama.
Pinheiro under the basket. Pasok.
Dali mo pula.
Number 31. Basket by number 20. By number 10. Wala. Second champion shot by number 10.
Masahe na kayo?
Oh.
Sakit ko mamaya.
Basket. Number 30.
6'9". Ha? 6'9". Importante yung score natin dyan. Score.
Pasok. Number 15.
Team foul. Team third team foul. Tingnan mo mag-ano.
Okay, ready? Quarter pass by number 11. Of Jedawal. Foul on number 43.
Penalty.
Penalty. Ref penalty. First foul on Paul Belga of number 43 of Jedawal.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Time remaining in the first quarter, 1 minute and 30 seconds. First free throw by number 8, wala. Ang dalawang tira, wala pa rin, rebound by Panda, kumira, pasok.
15.
Ulit ng Panda. Number 30 dribbling the ball, looking for an opening. Foul on number 31, penalty. Number 31, that is your second foul.
Third foul. Third personal foul.
Third personal foul on number 31.
Third.
Oh, okay, substitution referee.
Sab, papas ka ba? Dalawa silang Dinson. Sir, papalit ka ba? Hindi. Pwede na yun.
Wala.
Tatlo.
Okay, no.
Nakadalawang sunod siya kanina dito. Tapos pangatlo to.
Yung lang, tapos naman oras na, di ba?
19 seconds.
Wala pa rin, second basket. Rebound ng Panda. Same ball, same the referee. Bola ng Panda.
Time remaining.
17.
17 seconds. 17 seconds remaining.
15.
15. Wala pa rin, rebound by number 43.
Five.
The ball.
3.
3, 2. Okay, our official score for the first quarter, 11-9. For of Jalawan, 5.3. Jalawan, nakahabol na po ang Panda. Underneath, play, basket. Wala basket by number 16. Panda, kulat mo tayo. Number 30, naghanap ng mga pasahan. Binigay kay number 29. Tumira sa 3 points. Basket! Para basket by number 29. The point guard of number 25 dribbling the ball. Number 28, sorry. Binigay kay number 10. Palakpak. Lumalayo na naman po.
Isap tayo, sir, ha?
Sige, sige. Isap tayo. Ito.
Ano nag-pretro ba?
Hindi, sumot.
No, wala.
Uy, lumabas pa.
Majot. Pwede na, bro. Tapos na.
Okay na? Yeah.
Basket by number 0. Panda. Number 0 to number 10. Basket.
Number foul.
Foul, says the referee on number 8.
Panda.
2 free throws awarded to number 10.
Wala, out of shooting eh.
Ang pangalan number 10?
Ito, Arangkon.
Arancon. Wow. Tapos ang tira ni Arancon. First shot. Second charity by number 10, Arancon. Basket. Bata mas grenade. 3, Jedawai. Number 0. Pirouette. Umaksak. Naman by Vinson. Pagbiran si Vinson. Pasok.
Pang diba?
What a beautiful Thailand Campos. Ang tira ng number 18. Tumatakbong Jedawai. Number 11. Unguarded.
10 seconds.
Man-to-man guarding by Jedawai.
Oras.
5 seconds.
Tumira, pasok. Number 29, naago mo rin ang number 25. Matakbong Jedawai. Number 6. Basket by number 0. Dribbling the ball. Oy, ball dribble. Traveling, says the referee without passport.
Oy.
Pass break to Jedawai. Pinheiro. Balik sa ilalim. What a beautiful play.
Nice one!
Matakbo na naman si Jedawai. 4 against 1 sa Pinheiro. Liniting.
Nice one!
Pinapawisan na.
Time out.
Oh, sige.
Pinheiro.
10 seconds. Shoot.
10 seconds. Jump shot by Pinheiro.
Hey!
Basket. High rep.
Third personal
Charity
foul.
awarded to number 15, Pinheiro.
Third personal foul siya na. 9.
Isap tayo, ha?
Sige, na-release na. Na-release na bola. Maya.
Yung ano.
Basket by Pinheiro. To number 35, Pinheiro. Pinheiro to number 38. By number 31 of Jedawai. Call to Pinheiro. The highest pointer of Jedawai team.
Continue siya rin. Continue siya.
One pass to number 25.
22 seconds.
22 seconds remaining in the ball game.
Count.
Nice play by Jedawai.